Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Kia Sportage front bumper. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked on a level surface with the parking brake engaged. Gather your essential tools, including a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. These will be crucial for detaching various clips and screws. Opening the hood is your next step, as it provides access to the initial set of fasteners located along the top edge of the bumper. Now, let's tackle the upper and side fasteners. Begin by removing the plastic clips and screws that secure the bumper to the radiator support, typically around 8 to 10 fasteners. Next, gently pull back the inner fender liner on both the driver's and passenger's sides. This reveals additional screws, usually 2 or 3 per side, connecting the bumper to the fender wells. Use your Phillips head screwdriver for these. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic components. Moving underneath, you'll find more screws and clips securing the bumper's lower edge. There are usually 4 to 6 fasteners here. Once these are removed, carefully disconnect any electrical connectors for fog lights or parking sensors. These are often simple push-tab connectors. Double-check that all hidden fasteners, especially those tucked away behind the wheel wells, are completely detached. This step is vital for a smooth removal. With all fasteners and connections detached, the bumper is ready for removal. Gently pull the bumper straight forward, away from the vehicle. It should slide off its mounting points with minimal effort. Have a soft blanket or cardboard ready on the ground to place the bumper on, preventing any scratches. Reinstallation is simply the reverse process. Ensure all clips click into place and electrical connections are firmly reattached for proper function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.